Is it possible to use an optical cable to connect a soundbar to a TV that doesn't have HDMI ARC?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many people face when setting up their home audio systems: how to connect a soundbar to a TV that doesn't have HDMI ARC. If you're dealing with this issue, don't worry. Even without HDMI ARC, it's possible to connect your soundbar and TV using another reliable method, the optical cable.
What is HDMI ARC and why might you need it?
HDMI ARC stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface Audio Return Channel. It's a type of HDMI connection that transfers audio data from your TV back to your soundbar or receiver. It's a popular way to connect devices because it allows for high-quality audio transfer and simplifies the setup by reducing the number of cables needed. But what if your TV doesn't have an HDMI ARC port? Is there another way? Absolutely, there is. Let's move on to understand it.
What is an optical cable?
An optical cable, also known as a TOSLINK cable, is another way to transfer audio from one device to another. It uses light to transmit signals, resulting in very high-quality, lossless audio. One of the main advantages of optical cables is that they're fairly common and compatible with many devices, including older models of TVs and soundbars.
How to connect your soundbar to the TV using an optical cable.
Now, let's discuss how you can connect your soundbar to your TV using an optical cable. 1. Locate the optical port on your TV and soundbar. The optical port is usually marked as Optical, Digital Audio OUT, or it may have a symbol that looks like a ray of light. 2. Connect one end of the optical cable to the TV. Plug it into the port mentioned in the previous step. 3. Connect the other end to the soundbar. Similarly, plug the other end into the optical port of the soundbar. 4. Set your soundbar to the correct input. Navigate through your soundbar's settings until you find the Source or Input option, and then select the Optical or Digital Audio option. That's it. Your TV and soundbar should now be connected. In conclusion, even if your TV doesn't have HDMI ARC, you can still enjoy high-quality audio by using an optical cable to connect your soundbar to your TV. It's a simple process and can offer a great solution for your home audio setup. As always, we hope you found this guide helpful, and happy listening.